Hey loves, bonjour, mabuhay, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to do a quick first impressions of my DEMELLIER, the Midi LA with braids. So if you're interested to know what my thoughts are, just stay tuned. Hey loves, welcome back. So like I've mentioned at the beginning of the video, I'm going to do a quick first impressions of my DEMELLIER, the Midi LA with braids, and the one that I got is in the color Deep Toffee Smooth. So I'm just going to show you first how the handbag looks like. So this is how the Midi LA with braids handbag looks like. So that is the front. As you can see, it has a top handle in braids, and then you have the DEMELLIER logo up front here. The side looks like that, so it's kind of like cinch. Back is just, like the front without the logo, and then the other side. And then the bottom part, it has 4 studs there. And then as for the opening, it's just a magnetic closure. So you actually have 3 magnetic points, each on side and in the middle. And then the inside, it is just a big black hole, but it is lined, as you can see. And it also have the a zipper inside as well, where there's the name DEMELLIER. And it also comes with this strap for crossbody that you can also change the length. And this came in a dust bag that looks like this, all black. So yeah, so first and foremost, this one actually I have purchased it during the DEMELLIER winter sales, and that was last December of 2023, and it was on sale for 285 euros. And they had, I think, 2 or 3 colors, and also different sizes, but I took the Midi one because I didn't want a big size, and I picked up this color in comparison to other colors that was on sale because I think this one is quite neutral, that I will be able to use any time of the year. And also the DEMELLIER was also having the free monogram, so I monogrammed this handbag with my name. They usually put the monogram on the strap. So the one that I got is that one. I don't know if you'll be able to see. There you go though. So that's my name, and I have opted for the gold one because I think you can choose a gold color or just a stamp, so it's not that visible, so it will be like neutral color. So yeah, so I opted for that. And I actually haven't seen this handbag anywhere, to be honest. I only see it in one YouTube video, so I was like, okay, I hope that I will like it. And to be honest, I am quietly fond with the handbag for different reasons. First and foremost, to be honest, I initially wanted the famous DEMELLIER handbag, the Midi New York. Yeah, I wanted, in general, I really wanted the Midi, not the big one, because I'm petite, I'm 5'2", so I think the big one, it will be like very big toed, so I wanted something to be a daily use, so I was really opted to the Midi. So when this one came out and it was the Midi size, I was like, great. So like I mentioned, yeah, I wanted to have the Midi New York, but I don't want to pay the full price because it's around 530 euros, something like that. So I know that last year they did a Black Friday sale that everything was on 30%, but at that time I was still hesitating, so I didn't grab anything. But I think maybe this year, when they do the Black Friday again, hopefully it will be also 30% on everything. At that time, I think I will grab the Midi New York. But as for now, yeah, I passed that. And when I saw this during their winter sale, I was like, okay, I will definitely grab one because, I passed last year's Black Friday. So when I saw this, I grabbed it because it kind of reminded me of the Midi New York, just with a few tweaks. And the second reason why I opted for this one as well is that, like I've mentioned earlier, I haven't seen it anywhere, so it's really, in a certain way, unique. Unfortunately, they don't sell this regularly, so it's possible that if you like this kind of handbag, maybe wait for their summer sale or their winter sale. Maybe they will put this out, like on their archives or something like that, or maybe on a third party, website, or secondhand website. So yeah, just so all in all, like I mentioned, this was on sale and I have purchased it for 285 euros. So yeah, so the first impression, to be honest, as for the leather itself, it is a smooth leather, so it will be prone to scratches. Better to protect it with a protection spray. I actually have used the handbag already and it rained that day and I was like, okay, whew, luckily for me, I have protected it. So, and anyways, with my handbags, if it rains, once I come inside, I wipe it out so that there won't be any water on it, so it won't leave any potential watermarks. Protected because it's a smooth leather and it could be prone to scratches. But apart from that, I have a lot of handbags that are in this kind of leather, so I know how to take care of them. And then, like I mentioned, what I like about the DEMELLIER handbags, well, at least for this one, and I think the New York as well, they have feet. And I really like that handbags has feet because when you put it on the table or on the surface, it won't immediately touch the leather, even though I know it will in a certain way, but the fact that it has feet, it's always a plus. Another thing is I like the touch of the braid here. It's really different really from the handbags that I have. And also I like I mentioned, I have purchased this last year without knowing that right now in 2024 a lot of new releases handbag from different luxury brands are in this wave, so the scrunchie and the braid. So I was like, oh yeah, nice. And then the other thing that I like about this is that I like compartmentalizing stuff, but sometimes I just want to put stuff like that and then sometimes find it like like it's a big whole bag. So yeah, I like that idea. And then of course, love the crossbody potential handbag. I can always leave it there or I can detach it because yeah, like that. So I really have two options how to wear. The only thing though is that this handbag is not, shoulder handbag. So that's the only, let's say, bummer that I will say about the handbag. But other than that, a great handbag, very lightweight and big capacity. I can really put everything in here, well, my essentials though. And then the fact that it has, like I mentioned, zipper inside, I can put stuff that I want to be protected on the zipper, in the zipper part. But yeah, so all in all, very satisfied, very happy of the handbag. Oh yeah, and also the shipping from DEMELLIER, it was very fast. And what I like about DEMELLIER, since I'm living in Europe, with all those taxes and those customs and everything, I think DEMELLIER have sent me at least 2 emails mentioning that if the customs ask you money or whatsoever, no, don't pay them. You have to send us an email because with the price that I have paid, there's already the customs fees included to it. So for you, European countries, just in case if you're going to be ordering at DEMELLIER, rest assured they are really doing a great follow-up. So yeah, and then one last thing though, if you're interested to purchase a DEMELLIER handbag and if you're going to put some monogram on it, just so once you've put a monogram on your handbag, unfortunately, if you receive the handbag, there's some defects and so on, it will be a lot difficult to have a replacement. They can do, I think, a repair, but they cannot, replace it, or you cannot send it back because you have personalized it as a monogram. So if you want to buy something but you're not sure if you will like it, you have a 30-day, I think, return program or something like that, but only for the products that are not personalized. So there you go. So that was my first impression of the DEMELLIER, the Midi Los Angeles with braids. If you have any questions or want a detailed review after I've used the handbag in a few months, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to do that in the foreseeable future. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and if that's the case, please consider giving this video a big thumbs up, as it will really help the algorithms of my channel. And also, if you are enjoying the contents of my channel but aren't subscribed yet, please free to click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my video. So until then, I hope to see you soon and take care. Bye.
Mm-hmm.